Hello there guys, and in this Linux tutorial we are going to talk about a few commands that I honestly never used. Okay, and what are those commands? Well, one of those commands is the so-called vmstat command. The other command is iostat command. The third command is iotop command. And the last command that I never used is PID-stat, okay? And basically those commands, you can look them up on Google or the man pages what they do, but again, I never use them, and I honestly even can't remember what they're used for since I never really used them, okay? So I'm leaving it here for you to explore if you ever have the need. And just to note, to understand the output of some of the commands above, you may need to understand how computer memory works in modern computers. In particular, you need to understand what is virtual memory and what are pages and what is a page fault. And I am going to provide some resources in the references below, I think, or actually I wrote in the article a Wikipedia article, read on the topics mentioned in the previous sentence, and further Googling on the topics that you don't understand will be enough for you to gain a grasp of what is going on. So basically what that means is that most likely or almost certainly resources will not be available, but you can just Google virtual memory and read the Wikipedia article. So again, it is virtual memory. Just Google it if you're interested in using any one of these commands in order for you to understand the output of these commands, okay? But I really don't want to include these because I really never use them. I mean, I rarely even used even top and PS on my personal computer. I mean, I have used it professionally, maybe a bit more often, but I really never used this like vmstat or something like that. I really never used it, okay? So I just don't want to talk about it if I haven't used it. But I did want to make a video saying, okay, these commands exist, and if you ever need to use them, feel free to Google them or you read their man pages. And again, you will probably need to understand virtual memory, but you can read about it on Wikipedia and you can gain an understanding of what it is. Okay, probably not like the best understanding in the world, but more than enough for you to understand what's happening. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I hope that you will check out these resources if you're interested, and I will see you in the next Linux tutorial. Talk soon.